Assalamu alaikum guys, thank you for connecting. We're live with Tiago and this is Mujahid Shahid. And today on the 14th of August 2020, we are connecting, we are honoring the unsung heroes of the country, people who have truly done wonders for Pakistan. We spoke with Mr. Hassan Bukhari earlier today, and now we're connecting with one of his mentors, Mr. Ramiz Mumtaz. Mr. Ramiz Mumtaz is the founding father and the CEO at Green Volunteers. Green Volunteers Pakistan is an NGO that has truly inspired lives. We are going to be connecting with Mr. Ramiz Mumtaz and finding out more about his experiences helping out, helping build a better community in Pakistan. Mr. Ramiz Mumtaz, Ramesh bhai, are you with us? Hi guys, hello. Thank you for joining. We're live with Mr. Ramiz Mumtaz today. We'll be connecting with him in just a bit. Mr. Ramiz Mumtaz is a humanitarian. He has done wonders for the people of Pakistan. We're going to be connecting with him in just a bit and finding out more about his experiences. Ramiz bhai, would be great if you could send me a request. Awesome, I have your request. Trying to connect. And we are live. Assalamu alaikum Ramiz bhai, कैसे हैं आप?
अस्सलाम वालेकुम मुजाहिद, हाउ आर यू?
जबरदस्त जबरदस्त, आप कैसे हैं?
अल्लाह का शुक्र है। आप बताओ, फर्स्टली हैप्पी इंडिपेंडेंस टू यू एंड एवरीवन एल्स हु वुड बी जॉइनिंग अस टुडे।
Definitely. Happy Independence Day from all of us at Artiago as well. Thank you so much for taking our time and joining us today, Ramiz bhai. It truly is an honor to be connecting with you online today.
थैंक यू।
Ravish bhai, I was just telling our viewers about your organization, Green Volunteers. Would be great if you could tell us a little bit about it yourself as well. कब आपने शुरू
श्योर
किया? What was the motivation behind it?
श्योर Okay, Green Volunteers came into existence back in 2010. A lot of people know that. But what a lot of people actually don't know is that the true essence of volunteering, to me personally, started in 2005. 2005, we all experienced one of the biggest calamities this country was hit with the 2005 earthquake disaster. Um,
जी.
as the story goes, I remember I was in school back then, and I remember Ramzan chal raha tha. So a very dear friend of mine who eventually formed Green Volunteers with me, Ali Anis, he actually encouraged and kind of guided us कि चलो कुछ चल के करते हैं. And this was 2005 in a school in Islamabad. तो रमज़ान में छुट्टी हो जाती थी आपकी 12-1 बजे जो भी. And then we decided अच्छा करना है तो क्या करें? So we stepped out of our houses and started collecting donations. House to house गए, bell दी. Then we went to slightly bigger houses. वहाँ response जरा different आता था. They had security guards used to tell us कि बाजी घर पे नहीं है, साहब घर पे नहीं है. Then we realized that maybe the strategy isn't going great. Then we decided to target some of the smaller communities, if I may say so. And उधर at least हमारा direct contact with the house owner होता था. So we
सही.
started collecting. We were surprised कि हमें कोई 10 रुपए भी उसको दे देता था. But month-long activity eventually compiled a total of 40,000, which we thought at the time was a huge amount.
Wow.
And, but more than the 40,000, what it taught us, and basically it grew up on us. So उसके बाद we decided that this is something we want to venture into. The basic thought process was that once we had the money, we really didn't know what to do with it, honestly. And that is where the thought came into mind कि यार जब बड़े होंगे ना तो अपनी एक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन बनाएंगे जो एटलीस्ट यूथ को प्लेटफॉर्म तो प्रोवाइड कर सके. So that is how Green Volunteers came into existence.
Zabardast. That's beautiful. So Ramesh bhai, when Green Volunteers did come into existence, what were your short-term and long-term goals?
Okay. Again, I love sharing stories, and thank you for bringing me on. When in 2010, there was another calamity. I don't know, our country, we are a tough one. So there was another calamity, the 2010 floods. So again, the friend of mine was slightly older, hopefully slightly wiser, contacted me, Ali Anis. He said, let's do something again. Let's make another team. So continuing with it, again, I don't know if that's fortunate or not. Again, it was Ramzan. As if anyone recalls 2010. So we have, and you know us. So till date, we have a strong connection with Ramzan.
जी
So,
बिल्कुल agreed.
then we decided कि चलो जाते हैं. We knew कि donations collect करनी है, but last time house वाला ये था कि लोग trust नहीं कर रहे थे, लोग कुछ और ही समझ रहे थे. So this time we decided to line up on signals. तो ये जो PTCL चौक जो होता था, जो PTCL चौक जो है, this is one of the main signals of the city Islamabad. Uddar, we formed a team of 10-12 people, and we used to stand there from I believe 11 a.m. in the morning till 7 in the evening. And और बड़ा enjoy करते थे because there was a lot of competitiveness. किसको मिलते हैं, किसकी शक्ल is worth so much money, you know, so many things came into play. So eventually, I remember कितना transition कैसे होता है कि those days on a good day we used to collect around 75K. तो फिर हमें समझ आ गया था people are you know willing to pay. We have the resources to utilize it, and फिर we eventually started a few campaigns. We went to Charsada, Usfakat, we went to Nowshera, and then like you said, one thing leads to another. I remember first day अपने कपड़ों में गए थे, फिर हमें लगा थोड़ा कोई uniformity होनी चाहिए. We bought white shirts. I asked my sisters to write green volunteers on them with a green marker. So I still have that shirt in my closet. Eventually, we ended up making a lot of shirts, selling a lot of merchandise, but that shirt is still there. So वो बिल्कुल then we decided कि uniform से बड़ा अच्छा लग रहा है. Then we the best part was कि a lot of beggars or a lot of merchandise sellers जो उधर होते थे, they taught us कि how to use the gimmicks to get more donations. So it was a beautiful bond, and I thought it was very selfless of them because we were kind of hitting their market share very directly. So
of course.
But till date we actually every Ramzan we still try to revisit the old habits, and we do go for these donation drives. अब हम जरा like I said पहले हमने घरों में किया, फिर markets में किया. We will call it elite begging. We do it in Kosar market because that's the best numbers.
Obviously, yes. अच्छा रमीज भाई, अगर आप मुझे थोड़ा सा ये बताएं कि जब आप लोगों ने ग्रीन वॉलंटियर्स शुरू किया तो what kind of problems did you guys come across? I mean, I'm sure मसले मसाइल आते हैं, हर चीज के अंदर आते हैं, इन कामों में ज्यादा आते हैं. तो
the problem, I won't call it a problem, but limitations. The limitations were there. Most of us were just out of university or in universities, or a lot of our volunteer base was in schools. You know, जब आप schools में होते हो, university में होते हो, you're seasonal volunteers. जब exams आते हैं, obviously that is the priority, and the same goes for your office jobs. Okay, so the problem, I won't call it the problem, the limitation was to have a pool of team available at all times, to have people motivated. It's not easy working for free, no, to motivate people.
Of course.
So to have them connected, to make them feel their worth, exactly. So they should be, show them the long-term vision, keep them motivated. So these are the small aspects. The donation aspect comes later. It's all about team building, and eventually, you climb market.
अच्छा रमीज भाई, जो आपके volunteers होते हैं, do they need some sort of a qualification to be a part of your program or be a part of your NGO, या कोई भी आ सकता है?
Yeah, actually कोई भी आ सकता है. It should be inclusive to all. But the only qualification is but the green in our green volunteers is all about the green color, the green flag. So I think the underlying qualification is just being passionate about the country or passionate about this kind of work. So I think last thing we should ever do is put some limits on it. But having said, from time to time the program different होते हैं. Obviously every internship has a limit. Every program has a limit. So उसमें फिर there is a lot of scrutiny. There is a lot of different variables which come into place.
Of course, understood. Actually, so Ramiz bhai, what is the most difficult decision that you had to make to this day? Yes, of course, you guys can ask questions. In regards to your organization.
Okay, so the most difficult question I believe would have been we started as a national calamity organization, right? So this meant relief work in those far-flung areas, but our volunteer base was all students, young people who couldn't take out a couple of weeks and go there for relief activities. So what we decided, or what we transited into, was that we decided to target the urban poor for now.
Right.
firstly target the urban poor, start working with all these orphanages, charitable homes, street children organizations, and uh, yeah, all these organizations, uh, and facilitate them in any way possible. Just to be the middleman, to connect them with the donor, to do anything they require. Starting with providing school bags, school books, uniforms, um, having their sports they conducted, having joining a lot of these orphanages for their parents. The parents meeting होती है, especially those who don't have, give them a family feel. इस तरह करके what, like you said, so that was a decision taken at the time, but with an eye to always have a team ready and mobilized in case of any calamity, as which came pretty handy this year.
जबरदस्त जबरदस्त. अच्छा रमीज भाई, we've got a question from one of our viewers. They want to know कि ये सब कुछ शुरू करने के लिए आपकी मोटिवेशन क्या थी? I think that's an amazing question.
There were two people behind my motivation. One, I always say this, that we are very, very fortunate to be born in the same country as Mr. Abdul Sadar Idi Saab. And again, we really don't realize his body of work yet. And secondly, honestly, being from the youth, especially at that time, and considering keeping the political aspect of it on a different side, I think Mr. Imran Khan, because like you said, when he played cricket, we played cricket. When he decided that social work cool hai, so we decided social work cool hai. So yeah, so that was again these two people, and there are many others as you go along. There's so many people. You see so many people running their orphanage, their charitable homes, and you see them completely dedicating their life to these cause and being happy about it and having no regrets. So again, there's so many little people who inspire you every day.
True.
I remember when we started our 2010 campaign, what what inspired me the most was, again, there are many people you meet as you go along. We were collecting donations at a market. This was Jinnah Super. Jinnah Supermarket. Those malls nahi bane hue the. So the niche of the female niche of the country used to come to these boutiques in Jinnah Super. So uske bahar hum line up hue hote the ki yaar out of guilt kuch de denge. So I remember a small boy coming to me who was selling badges. Again, if you follow the timeline, to ye Independence Day, exactly 10 years ago, Independence Day se 2-3 दिन पहले था, and he was selling these Pakistani badges. I believe one should be here. So they were selling these Pakistani badges. And so he came up to me and he said, "Ye mujhse nahi loge." And I remember him flipping a 5 rupees coin into my donation box. Then he eventually ended up selling me a 50 rupees badge, but that was good.
That's beautiful. I mean, that's an amazing strategy.
Contacting us and saying, it's not much, but I want to donate my pocket money for this month. It was, I think, 1,200 or 1,300. And then he said, I'm not sure how my family will react to that, and they don't approve my social work. So I want to transfer it, but I really don't know, because obviously the family's not involved, so bank transfer. उसके बाद bank loan transfer बड़ा फर्क होता था. अब तो everyone has their own account. I think even
of course.
I think the youngest of the lot also. उसके bank account was also a big thing. So
yeah, I'm sure.
So then we convinced her कि नहीं, आप अपने parents को बताएं, if they approve, तो फिर transfer, and she eventually ended up being our ambassador, and now is a CSS graduate, if I recall. So,
Ramesh bhai, you've been an inspiration to a lot of people. I mean, I've lived in Islamabad for a while, और अब मैंने जहाँ कहीं भी community service का काम करने गया, मैंने आपका नाम जरूर सुना है. And you've been an inspiration, like I said, you've been an inspiration to a lot of people. You've been an inspiration to me as well. In regards to your story, I remember आप ही के food drives के बाद, I went back to Karachi once, and we were doing this food drive somewhere on Ittihad in Karachi, and मेरे O levels के दोस्त थे. They were just driving by. It was just a friend and a brother. They were going out for pizza, and they saw me doing this. They pulled over. They gave me they called me over. They went like, "Okay, so we have 2,000 rupees. We're gonna go have pizza, but we love what you're doing. We're gonna go back home. We're gonna have the iftari that Amma Abba made." but we want to donate this. So, I mean, thank you so much. You've been an inspiration to not just me, but a lot of other people. You want to tell us a little bit more about that? How does that feel?
Yeah, obviously that feels great. Honestly, that is the if you ask me of what I've been able to achieve throughout all these years, I think this is the first and probably the only thing I'll finger point. That a lot of people who volunteered with us have their own organizations right now. They are so running them very successfully in different areas. And honestly, the respect they show. Hassan Bukhari was here a couple of hours ago, and the words he had to say, honestly, and he said all the right things. And I was listening to him, and he was making it very difficult for me. मैंने कहा इसने सब कह दिया, मैं क्या कहूँगा? But and there's so many other people there. The respect they show is just humbled, honestly, and honestly that because I've been working on Dream Monster for so long कि जब आप जाते हो ना तो सारी responsibility आपकी होती है. You go to an orphanage or you go to a food drive or any other activity. We have done everything. You name it. We have had roadside iftaris. We have done Independence Days, walks. We have done anti-wall chalking drives. So and many other kind of activities. So when I go to green water activities, I there's too much responsibility, and you have to make sure that everyone is motivated, having an equal opportunity. Because when we're doing this, we started doing this annual iftaris at SOS. The issue we faced was that we had 100 kids and we had 300 volunteers, and every volunteer complaining that मेरे पास कोई काम नहीं है. So that becomes your responsibility. Then you have to assign roles. Then you have to make sure you make enough roles for people to come and not be bored. Not differ away from this field. Okay. So the best part of working with these other organizations, which started with people who have volunteered for us, is that when I go there, I truly get to enjoy. I get to enjoy with the kids. I have zero responsibility. They come to me when they want some opinion or any kind of advice. But and I think you've seen that as well. Then I just go and do what I initially wanted to do and just mingle with.
Spend time with the kids and
yeah, exactly. The people who matter.
जबरदस्त. ओके रवीश भाई, तुम्हारे लिए हमारे पास एक और सवाल आया है आपके लिए. वो ये है कि आप हाउ डू यू बैलेंस योर लाइफ? आई मीन
balance. Yeah. I used to be a sports fanatic. So बहुत सारे sports खेलता था weekend में. That used to give me a lot of fun. That is it's sports is all pleasure. So when I started social work, I realized कि इसमें मुझे ज़्यादा मजा आ रहा है. So whenever we have an activity with the kids, we make sure कि weekend पे हम वो sports element डाल दें. अच्छा. So that is one way of putting all your eggs in one basket. Secondly, again, weekends, Zada, I always say, because since we have our proper jobs and everything, so this is evening and weekend activity. So taking that forward, weekends are also dedicated to family. So my solution to that is to keep your family on board. Exactly. And that helps, I always say जितनी भी drives, especially iftari drive, Seri drive, or any other drive, because social work is not done in mainstream areas. It's done in the most remotest of localities. So उधर जब भी हम जाते हैं या कुछ इस तरह करके, before inviting any other females, I make sure my family, my mother, my sister, my wife are.
Hello.
That makes it a lot easier.
True. That's the best way of going about it. अच्छा तो रवीश भाई एक और सवाल आया है. Being a patriotic, what is your favorite Pakistani song? Hello.
Sorry, someone is calling. Or
that's completely alright.
I would prefer the messaging on the Insta feed, लेकिन वो call कर रहे हैं.
अच्छा जी. तो रमेश भाई हमारे पास एक और सवाल आया है. वो ये है कि आपके what is your, being a patriotic Pakistani, what's your favorite Pakistani song?
Yeah, that's
a tricky one.
I haven't really thought about that. So what's my favorite? And I really like APS के बाद जो बना था, बड़ा
अच्छा
दुश्मन बना फिरता है. That
ओहो
yeah, that gets me moving. I think that's a good song.
अच्छा रमीश भाई आजकल जो आजकल की जो यूथ है दे हैव दिस जैसे आपने भी अपने स्कूल में यूनिवर्सिटी में काम शुरू किया था इसका गिविंग बैक टू द कम्युनिटी एंड कम्युनिटी सर्विस एंड दिस एंड दैट आजकल के जो सेकंड ईयर फर्स्ट ईयर सेकंड ईयर के जो स्टूडेंट्स हैं दे हैव दिस एक्सक्यूज कि वी हैव अ लॉट ऑफ असाइनमेंट्स और कॉलेज का प्रेशर बहुत ज़्यादा यूनिवर्सिटीज में असाइनमेंट्स बहुत ज़्यादा है हमारे पास टाइम नहीं है कि हम इस तरीके की चीज़ें करें उनके लिए आप क्या कहेंगे
यार मैं हर एक को यही कहता हूँ कि everyone has a role in the world. सही है, everyone has a predefined roles. We just need to reach out to them. तो मैं कहता हूँ, come test social work or social sector for once. If you have a knack for it, then you won't be these questions won't be raised in your mind. And if you don't, then you're meant for something else. Just जबरदस्ती नहीं करना. There are enough people doing this. So if you have a knack for this, so then all these questions will go in the background that आप खुद you will take out time. बाकी जो लगाते हो, I'm sure you find time to go out with your friends. You find time to go to a restaurant. You find time to for all your other recreational activity, whatever they may be. So and अगर आपका नहीं है, तो फिर you do whatever you can. You have to in life. Be a good professional. Be a corporate head. And then once you're there, we'll ask you for a donation for our activity. So it's a complete cycle.
That's like the perfect way of going about it.
Exactly.
अच्छा रमेश भाई हेलो
जी बिल्कुल
जी तो पर्सनल टाइम जो होता है आपका हाउ डू यू स्पेंड दैट
पर्सनल टाइम क्या होता है यार दिस इज पर्सनल टाइम यार a lot of it is with the family a lot of it is thinking about these initiatives I've kind of combined all of them so everything goes hand in hand I'm a foodie I love going out and eating food
yes
the restaurants are finally open but be safe everyone wear a mask and
very important
if you ever spot me without one please excuse me and I like I said, I watch a lot of sports. So, if anyone can update me on the score, are we still batting? Have we crossed 200? If anyone can do that, so
that would be great.
And uske alawa, yeah, just the normal things we all do. Hanging out with friends, hanging out with family, spending a lot of time with my 7-month-old daughter. Yeah, bilkul. All the perfect times.
अच्छा समीर रमीश भाई आजकल के जो हालात हैं we're going through this pandemic आजकल में अगर कोई कम्युनिटी के लिए कुछ कम्युनिटी की बेहतरी के लिए कुछ करना चाहे तो वो क्या कर सकता है
अच्छा the biggest challenge during this COVID was what we had learned for the past 4, 5, 10 years जो सबने सीखा हुआ था we actually had to unlearn all of that during this COVID होता था make yourself available go out there work with the community engage with them all of that had to be unlearned during this time what I'll tell you what we eventually ended up doing we started our campaign around mid-March जैसे lockdown हुआ था which was very unexpected if you all recall तो पाकिस्तान में हम लोग एकदम से wave expect नहीं कर रहे थे and then gradually things changed in a week as far as policies are concerned and we were against मतलब एक लॉकडाउन लग गया था and during the हमें realize हो गया था and you don't realize how many daily wages are actually part of our economy till you actually experience it in this way every tailor barber everyone yeah
rickshaw wala and a lot of other people yes
waiter everyone so the challenge was how to get firstly to have a scrutiny then how to get the supplies to them, how to maneuver this. Then we came up with a policy that we decided to make community ambassadors. Again, we started with Islamabad, Pindi, humne hare ko bola, be leader of your own area because that was the only place to maneuver. Because obviously, there were some policies in place, the government had some protocols, apna area nahi chhodna, वैसे भी छोड़ना नहीं चाहिए था. And तो फिर step by step, we empowered everyone कि आप अच्छे अपने एरिया से डिमांड बताएं आप चेक करें on a daily basis then from Islamabad Pindi it kind of the network introduced to many other cities eventually we ended up touching 20 cities the provinces of the country from from Quetta till Malakand, Dir,
Zabardast.
bigger
Sure.
cities, Lahore, Karachi, many other towns, Atta, Kohat. I mean, again, I can name a few more, uh, and eventually ended up providing ration to 10,000 families, then providing protective gear to 7,000 healthcare workers, again,
Wow.
in the most remotest of areas, Dir, uh, and, we did what we could, and it wasn't a lone effort. Uh,
Mm-hmm.
like I said, the सारी जो organizations जो सारी support करती हैं, all of us came under one umbrella और फिर हमने मिलके किया. So it was a good time.
Milke architecture. Acha, Ramesh bhai, this is our final question for the evening. What kind of a legacy do you plan on leaving behind?
Yeah, the best legacy anyone can leave is कि उनके जाने के बाद organization वैसी चले as as they were
उनके
as
साथ.
it was when they were there. So that is, I think, so उसके लिए all you can hope for is to make systems, make institutions, and the other thing, like we discussed earlier, branching out into other areas, into other organizations, a lot of people getting involved. बहुत हमारे volunteers. When we started, we started from Islamabad. We eventually ended up making chapters in each main city of the country. We had foreign chapters. We had chapters in um, US, UK, UAE, Australia, China. So these are just some countries. So
Zabardast.
the 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 advantage of it is जब भी कोई national calamity होती है, they're all connected.
जी.
And obviously, when the donation translates into our amount, we end up doing a lot more than we can. So the again, the legacy would be that the show must go on.
Zabardast. Thank you so much, Ramesh bhai, for taking our time and joining us today. It was great talking to you.
Thank you.
And
Pleasure
yeah,
was mine. And
thank
happy
you for
National
being an
Day.
inspiration.
Thank you for having me. Bless you.
All right. Awesome. Thank you. Bye bye.
Okay.